we spend a whole lot of time out really hands-on working and learning about carpentry and doing the project 100%. Right now we are framing the walls of the cabin that we're building. So we're learning about studs and stud placement and also like headers and window placement. It's a place that excites and ignites passion for building and for designing and building, and also makes you think about where the materials are coming from and where your interest in building is coming from. I feel like I personally have been on a quest to figure out what I want to do with my life. And I've done some really cool things, but coming here and being a part of this program, my aha moment was, I found it. This is what I want to do. I want to build. I want to design and build my own buildings. It's just kind of a magical place, you know?